Hey all, this is Simrita Basroor here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Simrita Basroor's Corner. Today I'm going to talk to you all on another topic, that is intelligence. Now intelligence is a very different topic because it's not going to be like every other issue or problem or disorder kind of videos which I have done up till now. So I'll be just trying my level best to help you understand what intelligence is all about. Do watch this entire video till the end, and if you feel that you have any questions regarding it, you're free to ask them in the comment section. I'll be putting more information about me as well, about my services as well. In the description you can connect with me via there. So let's begin with the definition. What is intelligence? So definition is ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. तो जो भी आपने सीखा है, समझा है, परखा है, जाना है, पूछा है, समेटा है, वो ज्ञान जो होता है, that how will you use it? आप उसका यूज़ कैसे करोगे, इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे करोगे और किस स्किल के लिए करोगे, वो आपके इंटेलिजेंस को डिफाइन करता है या फिर दर्शाता है. So what intelligence does is intelligence helps you to understand, helps you to gauge what you want, helps you to choose, helps you to understand your capability, helps you to understand the concepts, helps you to understand the languages, it's so on and so forth. So intelligence is there in us, in all the humans, in all the living beings as well. So basic intelligence जो होता है वो हर एक living being में होता है. Human intelligence is such wherein you learn with experience ideally, and you get to even understand what you feel is very much important, and you get to think, you get to experience, you get to absorb what you have learned, accept what you have learned in a really better way. Now here, as a mental health professional or a therapist, I would like to specify that there are many theories about डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. सो जैसे मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि इंटेलिजेंस बहुत टाइप्स के होते हैं और हर एक लिविंग बीइंग में होते हैं. सो उसके लिए क्रेडिट देना चाहेंगे तो हम जो भी रिसर्चर्स है, जो भी साइंटिस्ट है, जो भी साइकोलॉजिस्ट है, जो भी साइकेट्रिस्ट है, जो साइंस फील्ड में है, जो आर्ट्स फील्ड में है, उन सबको वो क्रेडिट चाहता है बिकॉज दे हैव इन सम और द अदर वे हेल्प टू अंडरस्टैंड द टाइप्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस in various aspects. So we need to know that there is not just a particular group of intelligence, but there is various. So अभी यहाँ पे इस वीडियो में I'm not going to tell you all about all those types because there are many. I can literally make a separate video of it. So all I will do in this video is help you to understand some very important points regarding intelligence, and also how can you boost intelligence. So stay tuned. अभी आपने द वर्ड कोशेंट सुना होगा. सो कोशेंट जो इंटेलिजेंस कोशेंट होता है, या फिर जिसे हम आम भाषा में IQ कहते हैं, सो उस बारे में मैं थोड़ा बहुत आपको बताना चाहूँगी. सो कोशेंट्स बहुत प्रकार के होते हैं और उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा रिसर्चेस के मुताबिक ये देखा गया है कि इमोशनल कोशेंट जो होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा उसको महत्व दिया गया है, स्पेशली इन दीज लास्ट few years, because it is the most important thing, it is the most important quotient of every human. It has helped many individuals to a greater extent. It keeps on helping. So अगर हम जितना उसे डेवलप कर पाएंगे इमोशनल क्वोशेंट को, उतना बेटर होता है. इंटेलिजेंस कहाँ पे हमारा जो मस्तिष्क है यानी ब्रेन है, कहाँ पे वो इंटेलिजेंस टेक्स प्लेस इज इट टेक्स प्लेस इन द फ्रंटल लोब एंड इट टेक्स प्लेस इन द सेरेब्रल एंड द पैराइटल लोब. सो आई हैव पुट अ डायग्राम ऑल्सो regarding this. So just take a look at it towards the end of this video, so you'll come to know where the intelligence actually takes place. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि इंटेलिजेंस इज बोथ जेनेटिक एज वेल एज एनवायरमेंटल. जेनेटिक यानी हमारे पूर्वजों से या पुरखों से आया हुआ है इंटेलिजेंस, और हमारे एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स भी जिम्मेदार होते हैं. आप कहाँ पे पले बड़े हो, किन लोगों के साथ पले बड़े हो, उनसे आपने क्या सीखा, आपने उनसे क्या समझा, आपने अपने चॉइसेस कैसे किए. Your own choices also matter. So these all comprise of your intelligence. So intelligence is both genetic as well as environmental. एक फ़नी बात है इंटेलिजेंस को लेके, अक्सर बहुत सारे माइम्स और जोक्स बनते हैं कि men are more intelligent than females, or females are more intelligent than males, but there is no gender bias as such. Both the genders, all the genders in fact, are intelligent in their own way, and they have that capability to know what is important and to go towards that intelligence and go ahead in their lives. As a therapist, this is a very, very huge thing which I would like to say, which I often tell my clients also, that your IQ does not determine your success, does not determine your achievements. It does not mean that आपका high IQ है मतलब आप ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ते जाओगे. Low IQ है मतलब आप घटते जाओगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. There have been examples of people who have done brilliantly irrespective of their IQ, who have not done brilliantly irrespective of their IQ. So it does not matter. All that matters is what you choose. All that matters is what you are interested and how well you can go ahead with those skills. Always understand, सीखने के लिए कोई उम्र नहीं होती है, समझने के लिए कोई उम्र नहीं होती है. You can understand very well a pain of a very aged person even when you're young, and vice versa. Please do remember this. Last but not the least, how will you boost your intelligence is keep on learning. Be a learner for life. सिर्फ कहने के लिए नहीं, actually बनिए. Learn some new language. Keep reading something which interests you. Then understand what you want in your life. So be self-aware of what you really want. दूसरे कर रहे हैं इसलिए आप भी कर रहे हैं, ये attitude मत पालिए. तीसरी बात, exercise, do yoga, meditation. That also helps to boost up your intelligence, because you need to understand that if your brain is way too much into stress, it's not going to benefit you at all. You need at some point in your life to give that self-care journey, to start that self-care journey, to have a me time, which is very, very much important. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you're free to ask me in the comment section, and also read the description.